When we work together, so that togetherness will bring more in results.
Leadership is not just about being somebody that takes initiative, but it's also about being somebody others can rely on. All leadership takes is action, courage, and kindness.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं हूं नाज़िया FM 107 से एंड वेलकम टू द शो कॉल्ड करियर कंपास नेविगेटिंग द फ्यूचर। दोस्तों, आज के इस एपिसोड में हम बात करने वाले हैं लीडरशिप स्किल्स की। स्टूडेंट्स की लाइफ में लीडरशिप स्किल्स को एक्वायर करना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है। इस टॉपिक पे बात करने के लिए हमारे बीच हमारे साथ लीडर मौजूद हैं। आप हैं ICBF के प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर शाहनवाज बाबा। सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट वी वुड लाइक टू वेलकम यू ऑन FM 107। होप यू आर डूइंग गुड एंड ग्रेट।
Thank you so much for inviting to the show.
Pleasure to have you here, sir. And we would also like to welcome Sania Shoaib. Hello and welcome. How you are doing, Sania?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you for inviting me. I'm honored to be here, and I look forward to sharing my ideas with you.
Really looking forward to listening you. So we will start from you. What are leadership skills actually?
Each organization needs different set of leadership. When it comes to ICBF, the first and most thing is rather than thinking with the brain and think with the heart, because in ICBF we deal with the people who are looking some sort of compassionate activities. That's why I thought, okay, in ICBF perspective, I underline ICBF or compassionate or charity perspective.
Sania, you tell me, how do you perceive this concept of leadership?
So, for me, leadership is about taking initiative, standing up for your teammates, and leading them to success.
Shahnawaz, we would like to know from you, were there any moments or the experience that actually helped you or, shaped your path to be like ICBF president?
I'm coming from a middle class family, and the first motivation always for anybody will be the father or the mother, our parents. So we learn from our home and from our grandparents, father or mother, then from our friends, from our societies, from our community. So we were in that social activities back at home also. And then when we joined here in Qatar, almost I'm here in 23 years. I was in corporate level for quite almost 10 years. After that, I quit my corporate life and started my own practice.
Okay.
From there onwards, I was there in community activities always, whether in ICBF, ICC or any other organizations. So each time, some other way, we are connected with the society or the community, and we feel so comfort and we feel so content whenever we do any sort of activities, any sort of interaction with the community. That's the main motto behind.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Very well said. Okay, tell me, what are some of the critical, leadership skills?
Now I am playing in two roles, like in ICBF as well as in my career also, professional also. So one thing is the commitment, the sincere approaches, the time management. All those things is the basic skill set for any leadership. Whatever we take, we have to be very sincere. If
Commitment.
Yeah, commitment. If we are not sincere to our approaches or our decisions, the result might not be as we imagine or we think. So first and most part of any leadership is be sincere to our approaches. Sometimes our team members will be better than our views in many matters. So be open to hear them and get ideas. Team itself, when we say team, together everybody achieve more. So that togetherness will bring more in results.
What is the difference between being a leader and being bossy, and how can students find their right balance?
Both, that concept will be there. Leader is one who takes the people along with him. That's how we always say. They have given or contributed their life in such a way to the society or the community. We cannot say always they were bossy, but they were bossy in some incidents, right? They have taken the decision, they say, but they have taken for the betterment of the community.
How do you see the role of, conflict solving skills in the students of leader to benefit them to become a better future leaders?
See, always conflicts will be there because now I belongs to a generation. The students belongs to the future generations. We never had this
Yeah, yeah.
instrument with us.
True, true.
And now the entire world is going through with this small piece of equipment, right? So their thought process is different. So we cannot bring all the students to our generation.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, Sania, you being a student, let me ask you this question also. Okay, how do you deal with the conflicts on day-to-day basis in school?
For example, let's say we're doing a project for, let's say if it's a math project, and we come across a problem between, for example, two teammates. How will I solve it? So basically, what I will do is I will try to find a middle point in which both parties can agree on, and then I'll explain the idea to them and see if they're willing to compromise for each other to find a solution. And if they agree, then it's good. But if they don't, then we can try to find a different solution.
So you're like open for different solutions, huh? That is
Yes.
a willingness and openness to come to some common agenda or something like that. Beautiful thing. Okay, tell me, Shanawaz ji, why is adaptability considered a key leadership skills?
Rigid or narrow leadership works in certain scenarios, not always. Adaptability is the vast. We can accommodate a lot of people together, or we can accommodate a lot of followers together. So always the positive part is adaptability. But in rigid also, see, in when we take in force or some particular areas, that will be there, that narrow structure will be there. But in general, we say the adaptability will create a lot of positive results in the organization.
Very well said. Okay, tell me, why is emotional intelligence important for student leaders?
We want strategical thinking in some areas. Always we need that because our life, when we look at life as a whole, we need strategies, we need emotional balances, we need all other things. So when we need to think on strategical point of view, that level is needed. Emotional activities or emotional intelligence, that will be from our heart always. So that will give more touch with people.
Right. Sanya, what are your future plans?
So, one of my future plans is to become a cardiologist as I find joy in helping other people. Additionally, I feel that when I become a cardiologist, I can help people who have heart problems. See, so nowadays most people are in debt because they had heart problems like a heart attack, which cost them a lot of money. And I believe that when I become a cardiologist, I can help those people who can't afford health care, especially heart care, for free of cost.
Sanya, tell me, what is the best takeaway of today's whole discussion?
Okay, so I learned leadership is not just about being somebody that takes initiative, but it's also about being somebody others can rely on. All leadership takes is action, courage, and kindness.
Beautiful advice. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking out this time and talking to us. Thank you so very much.